You've been faithful, Lord. From the ages past, yeah. That is
Listen, we are not here to come and cancel anyone. We are here for real business. Forget this one and forget. I'm a prayer person. Forget the call. Forget all this. Tonight is the night of war. Anyone that can fight, tonight we confront.